So first things first, I appreciate your support. So are you experiencing this DC error on your washing machine? That means the door won't lock. It won't lock the door. So what you need to check is this. So definitely this one is faulty, the door switch. So what we're going to do, we're going to power it off. Once we remove it from power, then we remove the clipper, rubber clipper. There is a wire here. We remove that. Once that is done, we remove these two screws and then access the door switch. So let's get into it. So there's a spring, we look for a spring. There's a spring here. We hook it out. And then fold the rubber like that. And then we open this. Then there's two screws. Push that. That's it. So we replace this.